Learn birds' name with sounds. Let's get started. C-A-N-A-R-Y, canary. C-R-A-N-E, crane. C-R-O-W, crow. C-U-C-K-O-O, cuckoo. D-U-C-K, duck. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. H-E-N, hen. H-O-R-N-B-I-L-L, hornbill. H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D, hummingbird. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. L-O-V-E-B-I-R-D-S, lovebirds. M-A-C-A-W, macaw. O-W-L, owl. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. R-O-B-I-N, robin. R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. S-W-A-N, swan. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker.